The rite of autumn beckons. Football. Preparation. Focus. For the Eagles of Eastern Michigan University, the home season is crucial. But for one Eagle, the pressure will be unprecedented when wings are spread for the Rynearson Stadium faithful for the first time. Bald Eagle. Work, practice, sacrifice, dead mice. It'll all come down to one game day moment. And the question lingers, how will this high-flying rookie perform when the fans fill the stands and the teams take the field? Look into the eyes of this warrior. You judge.